come here and f my life up. F you.
Melvin, stop.
How many days you want to give me now? Are you Sir County?
Melvin,
Yeah, I'm at about a year right now in contempt, so.
He's got mental problems. He's not on medication.
Ma'am, I don't care.
I don't give a f
Melvin,
either.
stop.
Everybody. F you.
Melvin,
The power.
Good.
The power.
Good.
Suck a fucking faggy.
that's stupid.
Put you down, you know, you're 19. Do something with your life. Don't become a statistic.
The jury can come on out.
We're not going to address this civil matter?
You know that? No.
I was told to pay for something under a civil statute.
Mr. Brooks, I am not the custodian. Bring it up with the clerk of court.
How
Not
can I bring
addressing
it up
it.
with the clerk of court? How am I supposed to do that? So that makes me wonder if it's a
Mr.
civil
Brooks, the
case.
jury's coming out. I'm not going to address your request
if
for
it's
open
civil-
records.
if it's civil,
I'm not the
then
custodian of the records,
who's being
sir.
sued? My Sesame Trust is being sued? Civil is a
Mr.
civil
Brooks, this
matter.
is an irrelevant matter that you're attempting to bring up in the presence of the jury. The record should reflect these interruptions.
Before the jury came out, Your Honor.
And I told you I wasn't going to address it. Please.
Okay, so it's a civil matter. Who's being sued? My Sesame Trust? Because how can I be?
Mr. Brooks, you're talking about an irrelevant matter between you and the clerk of court.
It wasn't irrelevant when I got the paperwork from the clerk of courts. I was simply
Mr.
trying to
Brooks,
address it.
I'm not going to address it. The jury will
So I'm
disregard
being
these
sued?
irrelevant
It's a civil
comments.
matter? We haven't addressed subject
All
matter
right, thank you,
jurisdiction yet at all.
everyone. Please be seated. The jury will
We're not gonna
disregard the
address subject
statements
matter.
Mr. Brooks is making about subject matter jurisdiction. They are a misstatement of the law.
Yes, no,
All right,
it's not.
and
Just like this is a civil case.
Mr. Brooks, the jury's here. Please
Like
show
this is a civil
respect
case.
and decorum.
According to this document, this is a
Mr.
civil
Brooks,
case,
please stop.
which means someone is being sued. Civil is a suit.
Mr. Brooks, you're talking about an irrelevant
I have the
matter. I'm
paperwork
starting the
sent by
trial.
paper course right here that says it's a civil matter.
Mr. Brooks
So
has
what's
nothing
being
to
sued?
do with
My
this
Sesame
case.
Trust is being sued?
I have no idea what you're talking about. So, all
I got the paperwork right here.
right, I'm going to
How do you not
excuse
know
the
what I'm
jury
talking
right
about?
now, given this disruption.
Your attorney withdrew, so you'll have to hire an attorney.
I don't need an attorney.
You're a lawyer.
Nope.
Do you want to talk to me about me at bond with me? What do you want to tell me?
About what?
Bond?
Don't really give a f, to be honest with you.
That's going to cost you 30 days in the county jail for contempt. Cuff him, if you got the cuffs. Hold on, it's $5,000 cash surety bond, temporary, subject to the temporary protection order. He just swore at the judge. Can I give you a piece of advice?
What?
You can either make life easy or you can make life hard.
I already ruined my life.
That's 60. You want to go for 90? That's 90 more. That's 180. That's 360.
I'm working at McDonald's. Now I gotta f***ing come here and f my life up. F you.
Melvin, stop.
How many days you want to give me now? Are you Sir County?
Melvin,
Yeah, I'm at about a year right now in contempt, so.
He's got mental problems. He's not on medication.
Ma'am, I don't care.
I don't give a f
Melvin,
either.
stop.
Everybody. F you.
Melvin,
The power.
Good.
The power.
Good.
Suck a fucking faggy.
that's stupid. Melvin, stop. Stop it. You're not even getting in trouble.
This dude.
Melvin, listen. You're going
Who the f is he telling me f***ing anything?
Melvin,
Just let him do
listen.
whatever he
I
wants to
listen.
do.
Melvin,
You don't want to listen.
Well, you see.
Right hand, do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to provide will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury? I would like to call. Ma'am, stop. I know you want to control this room, but this isn't Burger King. When the sign changes to Burger King, you can have it your way. Right now, this is my courtroom, and you will answer my questions.
under my fifth.
Stop! Do you promise to tell the truth? penalty of perjury? Yes or no? Are you going to tell the truth? All right, I'll take that as silence. I understand her attorney is on here. Where is her attorney?
Please don't take back notes.
Again, say anything again without telling me you're going to tell the truth, and I will hold you in contempt of court for 93 days. Contempt carries with it 93 days and or $7,500. You will not act disrespectful in this court. Do you understand, ma'am? You certainly may remain silent. Where is your attorney? Do we have an attorney? Sir?
You do, Your Honor.
She was put on notice that there was going to be...
Even you don't testify to that.
An
The best you have testified to about notice is, I do believe there was talks about application.
Exactly.
But I'm reading your words, right?
Exactly.
But I don't recall telling her specifically how the process
Exactly.
works.
She was on notice, there's an
That is not putting her on
application.
notice, Mr. Paulino. She's going to have to fill out a 10-page thing that asks her
That's not?
to list.
She can't go down to the condom place and get an application?
It's not.
This is standard practice, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Paulino, you're dead wrong.
That's your opinion.
No, that's my ruling, pal. And let me tell you something, Mr. University of Miami Law School. I taught at UM for many, many years, and you right now are embarrassing us. You do not show that kind of disrespect, okay? If you don't like what the judge is doing, then you take it to the next forum. But you do not sit here and say, that's your opinion, like a baby when a judge rules against. Don't even utter another word. You got a lot to learn about what it means to be a litigator and a lawyer.
I don't want to be...
Good, because you don't have it in you. But you got a lot to learn about what it means to be a member of the Florida Bar. And if you think that this kind of petulance and babiness on your part to turn around and tell a judge who you disagree with, well, that's your opinion, is going to get you anywhere, you are sorely mistaken. If there's nothing you should have learned in the last 2 years as a law student, there's something you should have learned as a human growing up, that you do not show that kind of disrespect. You don't like it, take it to the hallway. But you do not look a judge in the face, because I don't care what you think about me. You got to respect this process. And if there's anybody who I expect to respect this process, it's a second-year law student at the University of Miami.
Very unfair, the marijuana law here. I think we the people deserve better, because marijuana is a very harmless drug, and it's been around for ages, since the 80s and 90s.
I've heard that baloney all my life, so don't go any further on that.
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether it's good or bad. All I know is Tennessee still has it against the law. I swore to uphold the laws, and I have to uphold the laws as a judge. It probably is unfair, but I can't change it. You've got to go see the legislature to get that changed.
Yes, sir.
And if you get it changed, I'll be the happiest man in the world, because I won't have to prove it. But right now, it's the law of Tennessee, and I have to enforce it. Now, if you want to plead guilty, you can today. But if you want a trial, we can give you a trial on the officer's case, which is Officer Vincent.
Officer Vincent?
You want to put a trial there?
Yeah, we can do that.
That'd be fun, then you make another statement. May 7th. Yeah, call him. I can't give you the name of the man you really need to call. But there's somebody.
Hey! We the people deserve better.
Take it to jail. Take it to jail.
No, I'm sorry, but I would object to going forward anyway right now without the elected county prosecutor who's on this case.
She chose not to be here.
That's not accurate, Judge.
Okay, okay, your objection's noted.
We had a phone status conference 2 weeks ago in which Ms. Schiff...
Your objection is noted. Okay?
I'm not going to participate in this proceeding without the elected county prosecutor. I think this is a sham that you're going forward. When the court was...
You're going to sit here. You're going to sit here.
You were told about her unavailability and specifically told her on the phone not to cancel that appointment, that it wouldn't be a...
Well, I'll tell you what, if you want to be here for the decision, that's your business.
Well, Your Honor, I think this is outrageous. You're going forward without the prosecutor.
The enactment clause, all that was a diversion. I'm talking about the enactment clause under our Constitution. Our Michigan Constitution, 1963, Article 4, subsection 23. What it states, it's mandatory, it's shall. You know this.
Mr. Rohr?
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm getting high strong with you, but I love the Constitution.
Take it down. But
No, I didn't know. I mean, I know I schooled you on it, but I didn't know you'd then go and listen to me. So, all right. I just want to make sure.
Okay.
The statute would say we the people of the state of Michigan enact, and then would go into the statute. The complaint is then going to basically apprise you that you have violated the statute that the state of Michigan, or the people of the state of Michigan have enacted. So you got that just a touch bit wrong.
Okay, cool.
All right.
But it should say enactment clause, because this lets me know the authority by which is decreed.
It doesn't have to, but go ahead.
It doesn't have to, but
No, it doesn't have to.
Your Honor, I'm not even in no position to say anything. You know the law, but I'm just saying from what I'm reading in the Constitution and what it says and what Supreme Court justices have stated on the matter.
All right.
Okay? That's all I'm saying. I don't know nothing but what I read and what I interpret. I think I'm pretty intelligent enough to interpret the English diction.
Yes. Yes. All right.
Yes. So, what you're telling me is that regardless to what, you're going to bend the Constitution to your understanding and how you want to rule it on this, and that you still obtain subject matter jurisdiction on a faulty, bogus complaint. Is that what you're telling me?
Mr. Moore?
Yes, sir.
In the 16 years I've been on the bench, never bent the Constitution in any direction. Okay. So.
Sí. Yes.
Let's see what y'all.
Just one?
Nada más una cirugía.
Dos.
Two.
That's not gonna work either.
Mr. Brooks, you are advised to stop with the commentary.
No, I'm gonna say what I want.
You called this witness. I'm going to take a break right now and excuse the jury and this witness.
All right.
What you doing is judicial misconduct. Judicial misconduct. But you don't want the jury to hear the truth. That's not fair to the jury. They have a right to hear everything. I'm not finna sit here and let you fix the trial because you don't want to tell the truth to the jury.
Mr. Brooks, please stop.
No, there ain't no please.
You are
nothing.
being disruptive.
Ain't
You
no
are being
please.
disrespectful.
You always
The
want to
witness
find
may
some
step
reason to
down.
say somebody's being disruptive because they want the truth to be out there. Man, quit it. You're supposed to be the
Mr.
judge.
Brooks, I'm advising you that continued interruptions will result in you forfeiting your right to be present in this courtroom.
Under what law and fact can you do that?
Illinois versus Allen.
Okay,
sir.
but the fourth option that you made up, that's not even in the law?
Mr.
Because
Brooks,
you can't do that.
I need to make a
By law, you
ruling.
can't do that.
I need to
And
make
you
a
know you
finding.
can't.
All right, I'm going to excuse everyone. Mr. Brooks is being removed from the courtroom. He will continue in the neighboring courtroom. Please make sure he has his objection signed and a pad of paper.
So is that
he can
So is that holding me in contempt?
participate, and I will make a ruling when I.
So are you holding me in contempt? Is that civil or criminal?
Go to that child's leg and to say that you did not recognize what had been done, to ignore what must have been the excruciating sounds that came from that child on a daily basis, is more than disconcerting to this court. And as such, the court finds it appropriate that each be sentenced to the State Department of Corrections for a period of life. You will get credit for any of the time that you've served. That will be counted.
Of Xanax and BARS. I don't know what that is. What is that?
Xanax bars, how they're referred to.
Xanax bars. All right.
She has no priors. She's being charged per pill, which is improper. It should just be 1 count.
So are you working?
Yes,
How much money are you making a week approximately?
approximately about $200 a week.
Okay, and do you own any property of value, a house, a car, bank account, significant amounts of jewelry?
Yes,
What do you own?
I own a lot of jewelry, all right, as well as
Go ahead.
a car.
Well, how much would you say your jewelry is worth? It's not a joke, you know. We are not in a club now.
Okay, but it's, you know,
Well,
kind
you
of,
see,
you know,
we are not in a club. Be serious about it.
I'm serious about
Oh,
it.
you're being
You just
very.
made me
I can
laugh.
see you're serious, all right.
You just made me laugh. I apologize.
It's all right. How much is your jewelry worth?
It's worth a lot of money.
Like what?
Like Rick Ross.
Huh?
It's worth
Ma'am?
money.
Have you had any kind of drugs in the last 24 hours?
Actually, no.
Actually, no. This is standard bond.
Okay, 5,000 on count one, and then the rest should be ROR.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Come back, ma'am. Come back. Come back. Give me the paper again. Count one would be 10,000.
Are you serious?
I am serious. Adios. Come back again. Come back again. Bring him back again.
What's up?
I believe I heard you saying to.
Yes, I did. I'm not going to this.
I believe you. Did you say?
Actually, I
Did you say that?
Yes, sir. I did.
Oh, you did say that?
I'm not
I find you in direct criminal contempt. 30 days in the.
Sanctions against Mr. Nicoletti for this vexatious and frivolous PPO.
I'm sorry, on this what?
I have a motion for sanctions against.
I know that. And the purpose of the sanctions are based on what?
It was a frivolous and vexatious PPO based on nonsense. I am not stalking Mr. Nicoletti.
I haven't signed a PPO.
His petition for a PPO. Let me.
Okay, were you served?
No, I wasn't, but may I...
No, you may not. How can you ask to sanction someone when you haven't even been served?
That's the point.
Stevens, do not interrupt me when I'm speaking, ma'am.
I have a constitutional right to be heard.
On what basis? There is no case before me, ma'am, other than the fact that you filed this frivolous motion, taking up this court's time for no good reason other than your own personal vendetta against this man for whatever reason you may have, and I really don't care because it does not involve me or my court. However, had I issued a PPO, you would have a basis to be before me. I did not issue a PPO. He did not pursue his right to a hearing on the PPO. You were never served, and here you are taking up my time so that you want me to chastise him and make him pay money? No, ma'am. Your relief is denied, and in addition to that, I am sanctioning you with costs of $500 forthwith to the county clerk's office.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I knew it was fixed.
I beg your pardon?
I said I knew it was fixed.
Miss Stevens, I highly suggest that you just exit my courtroom and go pay the sanctions before I find you in contempt.
Now, where do I go?
The clerk's office in the main part of the courthouse.
Oh, wait.